Good morning, everyone. We are here in the basement because, well, based on the title, I want to show you something. I want to explain, there you go. I want to explain how the Patreon system works. So throughout this whole villa, we've got this central marble staircase that runs all the way down from this basement all the way up to the tower. And I want to invite you to join this project, semi-literally. What I would like to do is, if you are so kind and in a position that you can financially support us, then I want to add your name to this central marble staircase in the following way. So what I would like to do is engrave your name on a piece of glass. For the basement, it's about 5 centimeters wide. I'm so sorry, I don't know what it is in inches. It's about 2 inches, I think 2 inches, about this wide. A piece of glass, and I'm gonna engrave your name on it. On every riser of every step, there are spots to put names, and every stair segment is gonna be its own price class. So we start here in the basement with €5. And I can't thank you enough if you would like to support us in this way, because it literally means the world to us. I mean, we've quit our jobs to restore and rebuild this amazing villa, and with your direct support we can actually do that. It's literally a dream come true. Second piece of the staircase is this one. Rather small, but basically in the main path. So we come from the basement, which is the €5 one, and we jump to this small one, which is 10. Every stair segment is €5 up. This main one in the hallway is 15. What happens here though is that the piece of glass become bigger. So about here, we get about 8 centimeters wide, which is like this. And this trend continues the further we go up in the villa. The further we go up as well, you get so much space that you can add a sentence. So I would love for you guys to be able to add a phrase or an inspiring sentence that you have, or whatever you like, to that piece of glass in addition to your name. Came from the ground floor, and we come to this one, which is 20. So this one is 20, one up, 25. We are quite high up already. Moving on to 30. This is the second floor, so this is where all the staff would have resided back in the day. One step up again. So as mentioned before, we got the 30 and 35 here on the second floor, and on the second floor there is room for an extra sentence. So if you like to add a motivational sentence or a wish or something that you like, we can discuss, and we can add that to your piece of glass. Obviously, again, in addition to your name. One more thing actually before I forget, to give you an idea. On one of these risers, there will be 5 names. Only 5, so there's quite a big step up compared to the basement, where you had only about this big to put your name. Continuing again, this is a segment of 40, and we turn, and this is the section of 45, and we are nearing the tower. This is the closest you'll get to a full house tour, so hope you enjoy it. This is 50 with an exception on top. So we got a few steps of 50, and then the last 4, which is this, and this one, will be for one name only. And these are the top tier ones. I'm not gonna expect anyone to contribute with such an amount of money, but if you want, there's these top 4 steps, which are not coincidentally priced in such a way that it corresponds to the date that this villa was built. In addition, these steps will not be engraved solely in glass, but I will probably also use brass in there as well to give it that high-end, top-tier feel. Again, if you wish to support us on this level, it's just insane. And thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who is supporting us, whether it's by watching our videos, whether it's supporting us here on Patreon. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, because this is literally what makes it possible for us to be able to do this. It's such a crazy project and I'm super stoked. Actually, tonight, while I was asleep, we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, so it's an insane feeling that so many people are interested in seeing us renovate this beautiful villa. I couldn't be more happier, so thank you so much for your support. I hope this video explains well how I want to make you guys a central part of this whole adventure. If it's not clear, then please let me know. And I guess you'll see me around. Ciao.